All right, well, we got a little emergency job today. Like I said in my last video, we were expecting that storm, and that storm hit like at 8 o'clock last night, and it was pretty bad. I mean, you can see a little bit of debris out here, but my buddy had a tree come down on their backyard gym. So I'm gonna run to the trailer at that job site, pick up my electric chainsaw, ladder, and then I'm meeting my brother there, and he's gonna bring his gas-powered chainsaw. We're gonna see if we can take this tree down. We are not tree guys, we're carpenters, but we're also men, so I think we'll be able to figure it out. But yeah, I'll see you when we get to check out this tree. And we're here. You get a new car. Regan's probably hiding in the seat him. Cranky dog. Hi, buddy. Already got bit by one dog this morning.
Shut
a
up.
Fucking chihuahua bit my ankle.
Oh my God. Okay, shut up. So loud.
Hi, Ranger. Long time no see, big man. How are you?
Zap, over here.
Hi, buddy.
Out of the way.
Hi. Hi, Range.
Get over here.
Hi, Range Rover.
Get over.
Range Rover, Range Rover. Oh, you're always shedding. He's always shedding.
I know.
Dude,
Impossible now.
listen.
Ranger. Are you happy?
Smiles.
Oh, you big smiley boy. Oh, you nibble? My brother's coming. He's got a real chainsaw. We can start delimiting at least with this little baby thing here.
I figured
Oh,
that'd
it's
be
the
perfect.
battery part.
Yeah,
Perfect for this guy.
it'll work. Brought my leaf blower too, if we need to blow off the roof.
We got a couple of those.
Yeah, well, it's a good sized tree. Oh yeah. Oh, it did some damage on the inside. Right through the ceiling. Got power out here? Maybe? No? No power out here?
This is a good
Fucked up your drywall job.
testament to your company right there. Fucking giant tree can fall on the place and it still be perfect.
I don't know if I'd call this perfect, but
It's pretty fucking good, man. All it took off was the fucking one of those outlookers and that fucking fascia. Like, that's
yeah.
not bad at all.
Well, it looks like it might have pushed in this. I guess because that's
I think
the
it's just
overhang.
the weight sitting on it still.
Yeah.
Too, right? I think once the weight comes off of it and the tree comes down, it'll kind of go back to.
And then it was
normal.
raining last night too, so.
Well, that's why we had all this. So I fucking got up there last night in the fucking rain and dark,
Jesus.
cutting the limbs. The limbs were literally
Sticking through?
the roof still. So I cut them all off, pulled them all out,
That's
spray foamed
nuts.
the holes, try and keep as much water as possible. And
No
then we came
shit.
down at like midnight and we can put them through the holes into the bins.
Yeah.
So it was a fucking nightmare, but.
Yeah, it really didn't do too terribly.
It's not bad. I'm really happy that I thought honestly the windows were gonna break because of the compression on the wall.
Mm-hmm.
But I guess I'm pretty sure we put 2x10 double headers in there over the windows. So
Yeah. I think what we need to do is basically just delimit all the way back to there.
Yeah.
And then chop it as close as we can to the edge there.
Agreed.
And then basically,
I think first I want to we can start doing that. I want to delim a lot on top too.
yeah, we'll delim everything.
Yeah.
We'll delim it all back to like there.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
I mean, it feels pretty solid, but I also kind of worry about the weight up here with everything. So.
I mean, it's only gonna be that corner. It's fine.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Well,
In the truck.
there's a hole here, eh?
Huh?
There's a hole here. You do that one? Right in the soffit.
Oh no! Fuck. Shit. Eh?
Probably bounced.
Yeah.
It went boom and came up.
Okay. Well, that's
Yeah, there's another one there. It definitely just bounced when it hit.
shit.
Just look everywhere there's a fucking thing. There's another small one there.
Oh, let's see. This is why the problem got these branches on it.
I need a broom or something.
Shit.
Oh, hi buddies. Hi buddies. Oh, You're a big boy. You're a big boy.
Oh yeah, good call, thank you.
Yeah, I saw it sitting on that strap.
Take that.
Figured you wanted it.
It's bar oil. I'll steal the bar oil from you. Is bar oil in here? Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, Marley's here.
Sounds like you got an extra powerful vibrator.
Mine's fucking loose. My chain, I need to tighten it.
Get stuck.
Definitely need to tighten my chain. Who knows? This is the soft spot here.
Yeah,
Huh?
so you be careful over there.
Hey, fuck you.
Okay, so these ones, hang on, I want to just make sure we're... Here, do this one for me first. Oh, fuck, I don't even know.
Just fucking like push it outwards
what I'm
when it
doing,
goes.
yeah.
Just hang on, it's not too heavy. Just hang on to it.
Yeah. Oh, that was a good catch. Okay, this one's
Those forearms working, yeah?
Don't you dare.
More quicker than
What's up, dude? Break my deck, eh? Oh, watch out. Sorry. Get him down farther. I don't want any, yeah. Just in case when we cut it in the falls, I don't want anything to be able to penetrate the
True.
rest of the steel.
Yeah, it's a...
What do you think's the best plan for cutting this shit down? Start up here and just start taking chunks off there. Okay, so we're gonna have. Okay, careful.
We're careful, don't worry about it.
We're careful. Maybe, I wonder if I can, yeah, give her like right there. And I'll just be able to push it between my hands.
Ready?
Oh, good move.
Beauty.
See, we're not totally stupid.
You want to just grab it? I can cut a small chunk and you can just,
Yeah.
you can literally just hold it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, good call.
Quite impressed. Well, that's what I'm almost thinking we want to leave.
You want to leave some weight up
I want to
here.
leave it up here so when we cut it, it doesn't,
The whole
this
thing.
little section doesn't. If this just stays, like if we delimb this and we cut it back, 4 feet,
Yeah,
this is probably going to stay up here still.
I think, yeah, I don't mind that idea. I'm gonna cut off the whole underneath of everything. It's gonna be falling.
You want to just hold this so it doesn't fall on my head? Stabby. I'm not the pin that breaks the camel's back.
Okay, I wouldn't trust that at all.
I do. Huh?
Okay, I don't like that.
That other one that breaks. There's a ladder.
You get down.
It's fine.
You get down. No, you're gonna cave the building.
Oh, come on, I'm not that heavy.
I see the whole tree moving and I don't like it.
Let me get this one.
Now we have 6 holes.
3 branches fucking smashed right through
Look. Move the ladder over to there. Huh? It's yet to be determined.
You might want to pinch the blade, right?
I know.
Like you can't cut down, it's gonna pinch the blade.
They're gonna have to V-cut it on the top probably, and then finish the cut on the bottom.
Blade.
Not too shabby anymore. Just gotta figure out how we're getting this down. Thinking we'll cut it over 45, drop that end, and then hopefully this end stays up. Have you been keeping up with the YouTube channel? I doubt it. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No, you haven't.
I've been watching.
You watched the video I posted yesterday?
Was it a short?
No.
No, I didn't watch that.
Yeah.
I haven't seen a single one.
Wow.
I should rephrase. I try to watch.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's a little hard to watch sometimes.
That works pretty good, eh?
It's better than doing nothing, man.
You're gonna break that chair beneath it.
Fuck you. No, I need double support because I'm double the man. That's why I need 2 chairs. Ugh.
Kind of cool that you're calling yourself a man.
It's like you're shopping at fucking Big and Tall for your pants.
Fuck you, they're Walmart.
That's true.
Maybe short and wide. It's probably better off. Wait, I gotta put some of this on first. Let me do the...
Get a flame going and then you can just pour it on and it's... Hang on. Probably push that over. Oh, this one in front of it.
Yeah, the one right in front.
Oh yeah, that's
Burn yourself, bro.
I've done it before.
Yep.
I got my leg set on fire one time.
About like in the spring.
Yeah.
I've been doing this for years like this. Yep.
Don't try this at home. Go. Boom. We bring the boom. That's what we do. We bring the boom.
Yeah.
I need a post.
Yeah.
A post cutting interview. It's right there.
Post cutting interview.
How was cutting that tree down, Sean?
It's great.
Is that the biggest tree you've fallen?
Yeah. No, but
Wow.
it was like second.
Is that the first tree you've fallen illegally? This is all on camera, by the way. Do you have a permit to operate that saw? Do you have insurance? I didn't think so.
I'm not gonna say anything else until I talk to my lawyer.
Okay, we've devised a plan to cut that tree down. We're gonna take these 2x8s and we're gonna create a big X like that, and we're gonna support the tree in between it and then chop the end and then yank the X out so we don't have it teetering and fucking everything up. Well, that's the plan, so we'll see if it comes to fruition. That's what we're dealing with. What are your thoughts, Sean?
I'm a little bit worried. But
Don't be worried. If anyone gets hurt, it's going to be you, so we'll be fine.
How often do I seriously hurt myself though?
Not very often, so
Exactly.
it's about time.
Right? Well,
This thing works pretty good, actually. Watch out, Sean. The big guns are back.
I'm worried that if it cuts there though, this is just that's gonna start to fall and it's gonna fold over.
Well, as long as that doesn't fall. Just be very careful, Sean.
I'll do a C cut, and I'm kind of expecting it to drop a little bit, so don't be surprised about a little drop. Just
yeah, it is.
It's a lot of drop is where there's problems.
but once we see movement, let's just take it easy. and-
Yeah. That's kind of like, this is a good amount to keep a hold of.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Okay, moment of truth.
On top of it,
It's working, it's free. Here we go.
wow, boys.
Hey.
Alright, Sean, I need you to cut this up smaller now.
Yeah.
5.
Wow.
Look at
Fucking A.
Good job, kid.
that.
Did the roof come back down?
Like how's that little like boat area up there? Like there's a spot in the shingles that was popped up.
Yeah, it still popped up a little bit. For all
Here.
this whole area of shingles is gonna
I'll
have to
roll
be
this
replaced.
over onto these.
Yeah.
Then you can just cut that.
I'll just cut it right in half and should be fine.
Look at that. Nice.
That's impressive.
go down there and take the pieces off.
Good eye. Where are you dropping these ones? That went better than expected, to be honest.
The brace held pretty good.
Yeah, it did. Yeah, I cut another little bit off and then I think we're Gucci. Whoa! Almost took out the skill saw.
That was miles away. Like the second, this one has some big ones in it too. Sure, that's not big ones, yeah. That's pretty good.
Nice.
I like it.
Well, we just fucking two people at the same time give that thing a boot.
There you go. Sledgehammers.
Yeah.
What we need is, remember that big hammer we had at Norse, the big wooden one?
Yeah, the fucking Viking
fucking
hammer.
Thor's hammer.
I think you need a bigger tarp.
Yeah, that's fine.
So how long is this gonna stay like that for?
Good question.
Here's the guy to ask.
Yeah. Well, not really, because Regan's gonna be the one to do it.
Whenever I can do it, I guess, without getting rained on and without getting all the cloudy.
Oh, look at her bird now, eh? I knew you guys would figure it out.
Impact and the screws and 2x4s.
What do you think?
Oh, I think it worked out better than I thought it was going to.
Yeah. Watch yourself. I think cut's good, eh?
Well, it's fucking a huge saw for a little bar.
Heads up.
Nice.
Wow. That held still. That's an impressive race, man.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna just
Carpentry, man.
GRKs.
nice cut, Sean.
There you go.
We're gonna have to expand. Carpentry and fucking whatever you arboristry.
Yeah.
Well, it didn't-
Arborist
surprised it
tree.
didn't completely just drop.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's in my there.
Stock? Do you need a rescue saw?
I have a wedge.
I don't think I like the flying death blade.
It's fine.
If it comes out though, I'm dead.
It's not gonna come out.
Yours is not coming out.
Yeah, mine's definitely not coming out.
Pretty good. I mean, if we cut it up here, then it'll be free.
Well, with that cut there, it'll tip all the way to there. And it'll be, yeah, like one more.
Teeter
We'll be able to
totter.
Tip it over by hand.
Yeah. So we got the one saw stuck. So now we're trying to get it unstuck with the other saw. And then we got to get this out. We're not arborists, but we're figuring it out. Oh, I almost feel like I could just jiggle it out. It's so close.
The tree is like so close to split. That's why I don't understand how the tree hasn't snapped yet. That second cut Sean's did, like all the way through.
Yeah.
It is struggling, but it's getting there.
You could almost kick it and I think it would come off.
Kick what?
Like where he's cut so far.
That he just did is like pretty much
Yeah, it's really close.
ready to go.
You got it, Sean. I believe in you. It's coming. Just step on it.
Nice. Woo. Thanks to this.
No, it's cutting his saw up.
Now that the pressure's off, you might be able to pull your blade right out of there. Oh, yeah.
Beauty.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Well,
See, I'd literally, at this point, I'd just cut cross like that.
Yeah.
And then that'll fall, then this will tilt that way.
I know, I want to. I'm so worried with if it's gonna like bounce towards the house though.
Well, they're dug in now, so they're just gonna, it'll go, I don't think it'll come up much.
Like I think it needs to be like one more small cut for it to tilt more,
Yeah.
and then we go for a
Well, I might-
big cut.
I'll do a top and bottom, and then we'll have a little bit in the middle.
Yeah.
I'll leave that, and then we can just like push it or hit
Yeah,
it or
and just
something.
let it break.
Yeah.
Or whatever, yeah.
That way we can break it where we want it to go.
I think it's almost there though. We're getting close. Running out of daylight too.
Yeah, I know.
2x10.
You're not covered on, this is not work safe covered area right now. Hold this up and we'll push it over.
We can manage that now.
You ready?
Hold on. How can I help you?
This is gonna fall.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Hold it. No, if you guys hold this.
I got it. Yeah, it's
You
going.
ready?
You go. I got this. Yeah, you go.
Boom.
Watch out. I got it.
The Jesus cross.
Nice.
Look at that. Beauty.
Nice.
All in a day's work. All right, where's the beer? And we thought we were gonna do nothing today.
Yeah.
Okay. We did it. Tree's gone. And that's gonna end it for the video. Just a short one today. A little impromptu job. Look at that. Peace out.